Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. Alright guys, so we have some exciting palettes to look at. These are going to be the palettes for the August Yes Oh Yes box. Now there is two of them, so I'm assuming it's going to be a variation. You will probably either get one or the other, but that has yet to be confirmed. But the palettes are definitely going to be in the Yes Oh Yes box. So these are Mauve Cosmetics, I believe that's how you say them. These are the Around the World palettes. One is called Stockholm and one is called Los Angeles. So guys, which one do you like the most? Comment that down below. And as always, if they reveal any more spoilers, I will keep you guys updated. If you want to see the spoilers for July, it's also linked below for your convenience. And guys, if you want to check out Yes Oh Yes, they are also linked below. And if you want to subscribe to Yes Oh Yes, I do have a code for you. That is Self-Taught Beauty, and that is in all caps. That will get you 10% off of your first box. So if you want to check them out, go to the link below and use that code, guys. And as always, make sure your bell is on. That way you are notified of every single video I upload. You do not want to miss any of these spoilers. Also, rate the video for me if you would, guys. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. That shows me exactly which videos you guys have been enjoying and which ones I need to adjust just for you. And one more tiny favor before you guys go. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.